Welcome to part 12 of this tutorial. I am Abhishek Inamdar from Keyframes Online. In previous so many parts we have done building the villa and doing the texturing. Right now we also doing the texturing, and we have added the sunlight and the camera. And if you have missed some of the tutorials or lectures, do see so that you will have a good understanding on it. So let's get started with this lesson. Just select this part, say material, and we'll go to my Vray materials, so that will be sorting out. This will also material 1, assign material, say assign. And now I'll start with the wall. Say Vray material, say tiles, say running bond, standard light, standard, assign it, show viewport materials, so much of pick, just increase this one and this one. Maybe 0.5 looks good, or 0.8 before. Fine. Blur amount I don't want, say 0.1 is good. So this is what the red I'm saying, it's the frame. So I'll just say open, and say material. Just I'll see which material is. Window frame is a 6. Assign it, and it's done. Say close. So let's start with this. I'll take a material. This will be the wood for it. Just assign it. But I want still this is too dark, so I'll make this one dark, and I'll assign it. Dark wood. Now I'll just, this part is remaining, it will be on SS, so I'll say material, and the SS is 5. Just assign it, it's done. Now this same, the dark wood and SS, just say group open. This will be dark wood, and this will be SS. So material, I'll say 5. So done. say group, I'll say close. I don't want to do texturing again and again to those, so I'll just make a copy, just select and say delete. Instance, make some random, just like this, or maybe this here, something like this, so it will be looking some randomness in that. Now this part is remaining, the blocks, say group, I'll say open. I'll make in sub D Vray. Let's make this white. Be material 7. Say normal, just have to see it what's happened. Would be 7. Would be this wooden. Would be same as a dark. I'll give that shade of dark. So I don't want this. I'll make this duplicate. Say group close, and I'll make a copy. Say mirror. Sorry, instance. Say group open, selecting the cushions. Seven. So this will assign it. This will be also 7. select this and border will be dark wooden. Just make glass material now. The same we can use in what we have used in for the windows. So I'll just select the window, say group, open, and selecting this, say group, open, this and this will be dark wooden. Generally what I do, if the detailing is not so close, that the object is not so close to the camera, so I generally use to give the dark color rather than using the texture. So I'll just cross check what is remaining, and the lights, just make this lights more believable. So I'll just use some shiny black texture to it. Make another material, say Vray material, say GRDN garden TS lights, will be black in color, gray some, and will be reflective, and directly will be 0.9. So now I'll just check what's happening, what we have done, and how we'll doing this, and then we will concentrate on swimming pool water and the lights. So I'll just pause my lecture and we'll see how it's behaving. So this is what I got with the rendering, and of course it has some of the reflections on the this glass on the windows panes, and of course I'm not so satisfied with the results, because we want some white and not so warm look. So I'll just come down with the sun turbidity. Just will see how it happens, and will increase will decrease the intensity of the SGRI. So I'll just make that changes. First of all, I'll select the sun and come with the turbidity with 3, and I'll press material, and I'll just go to settings, to environment, just drag Let's check the reflection of the glass. Refract is there and reflection is there. I'll just pause my video and see the changes. Now it's look fine, so we can add more lights into it, and of course this shadow we have to deal with it, and we have to just change the direction of the sun, and we'll work on the water material. Go to top and just slide this way. Select my water, go to material, take new slot, be the material, say water, will be with the blue, slight blue, will be reflective, and glossiness will be some 0.9, and subdivision will be some around 32 to get nice detailing. IR will be 1.3 for good fraction. Be white. And if you have an underlight, have a light in the swimming pool, and to show that light is coming to the contact with the water, so we can give the fog color also, but we will see that later on. And I'll just select the surface and give it a reflect. Now I'll just go and add the lights where I want, and just take a look. So I'll just pause my lecture. We'll see how it reacts. So this is what we got, and we have to work on the lights. So these are the lights we have to work it on, and inside light, and we have to give some more lights. So we'll start with the lights. Just take Vray light, and this will be a sphere. I'll just make an align. Center to center. Work on just make an intensity of maybe 30. We'll just see how it reacts. I'll make a copy. Again, I'll say align. Scale it. Get the line again. So I will add some lights over here. The one think we have missed a very small part, that the source of light we have not shown in this area. You will be there. Yeah. I'll give the material. I'll go to Vray light material, say LIGHTS lights. Assign it. That's it. Slightly we can see this, and now we'll add maybe a photometric or Vray IS light. Just say Vray IS. I'm comfortable with both the lights, photometric also and Vray IS also. Just filter it with lights. So top align with this light. Select it. Say as photometric file. I'll use the IS web format. So this is what I have taken, the IS light, and just will not do anything in this right now. The intensity, of course, the power will change later on. We'll just see how it's behaving before. I always do in lighting, I'll just put 1 or 2 lights and just check and then check and then check. So I'll just pause my tutorial, I'll just see and then go forward. So this is what I got the render, and if you see the lit up things are here, and we have placed the lights, and this is what the curve is been seen. But if curve is here, it will be more realistic look to be seen. So we'll add more lights here, and more lights to here. So just close this. What I'll do is I'll just hide this light towards the wall. Again, I'll just make a region render. Just make sure. Just pause my tutorial. Now this is too bright. The simple thing is we have to shift this light just far away from the source, and again I'll just check. and this is fine, and this can be handled by intensity, the power. I'll just cancel it. So it will be 10,000. I'll just, to make this really sense, I'll just shift this light on this part, on the middle of this part, so it will be more realistic. That curve is going from here, so it will be more natural. Just say geometry. This. Now it's fine, and I'll just make duplicate of the lights. Select the lights. Now I'll add some lights over here. Say Vray light will be plain. I'll flip this. Oh, so sorry. What happened? It was not flipped. The light. Place this light like this. Make upwards, scale this light. And give some yellowish tint. Intensity will be 10 or 8, or maybe we'll just check. Just say region. Just pause my video. This is what we got from the render. Just the one thing we have forgot to do is just select the light and say invisible, so it won't show that black thing. So if you liked my lecture, do subscribe for more tutorial on my channel, that is Keyframes Online. If you have any kind of doubts regarding this lecture, do let me know so I can really sort it out. And if you want any kind of tutorial, do let me know so I can make for you. So thanks for watching my tutorial. Meet you in next part.